Let's get right into today's stock market and economic update. The markets are still on fire. The S&P and Nasdaq both had all-time highs today, fueled by the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut. In today's Federal Reserve meeting, they announced a 25 basis point rate cut. This will bring the rate down to 4.5% from 4.75%. This move is aimed at boosting the economy, making borrowing cheaper for both businesses and consumers. Why does this matter for you? Well, lower rates can help reduce costs on loans and mortgages and credit, potentially spurring more spending and investing. So, of course, this is good for the stock market. The lower rates often push people more towards investing as opposed to bonds and savings, which offer low rates of return. So, this adjustment to the rate has investors hopeful for more growth ahead. Now, let's take a look at how the market reacted to the rate cuts. The S&P 500 rose 0.7% and the Nasdaq rose about 1.5%. Both reached new record highs. Tech stocks in particular were the stars of the show. Companies like Nvidia, Amazon, Netflix, Palantir, and Oracle all closed at record highs. So, why is this? Because tech companies often rely on low borrowing costs to fund innovation as well as expansion. So, lower rates can boost their outlook. So, let's take a look at a few of the stocks that I mentioned. So Nvidia is up 2.24%. They ended the day at 148.88 and continue to push up even further in the after hours. Amazon is above $210, up 1.48% today. Netflix up 2.09%, closing price $796.54. And Palantir, a new addition to the S&P 500, up 0.68% to $55.88. And let's take a look at Bitcoin, which is currently at $75,884, but it hit a high of 76,710. So, in addition to the rate cuts, we're still being impacted by the election that just occurred. With Donald Trump securing victory, markets have responded positively. So, in addition to the rate cuts, this is just adding fuel to the rally. Investors are looking for more economic stability, and with these political shifts, there is renewed optimism. So, bonds and treasury yields have also been impacted. So, with dropping rates there's more incentive for investors to focus on stocks as opposed to bonds because they will be a higher yielding asset. So today's rally is still being fueled by the election, and now it's gotten an extra push by this 25-point rate cut by the Fed. Another day of seeing so many all-time highs. It is a great time to have been invested in the stock market and know that I position my money to be growing for me. So, just a quick update. I hope that your portfolio is looking good and you are the richest that you've ever been today. With the continued push up by those tech stocks, the indices, and even Bitcoin, if you're invested in these things, you should be seeing all time highs in your personal portfolio. So, leave me a comment. Let me know if you think this 25-point cut is enough to keep this rally going. Are there any sectors that you're watching closely to invest into now that the election is over and decided? I hope you enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can keep up with all of my latest videos and live streams. Check out my referral links for Weeble and Mumu. They will be in the description and pinned in the comments. And I will be back soon. Okay, bye.